My screen is visible.
Yes, screen is visible.
Or
Okay.
anyone going to share his screen, like want to create his instance.
Mm-hmm. So any other one also, please try also. They can yourself. They are if they are practicing, then definitely they share. Okay, and you have to daily practice and also try to speak because you are only listening. You are not speaking anything.
Today I am sharing Ubuntu
Okay.
32 micro. I have to create new key pair. In security group, I share traffic select as all traffic.
Okay.
Then source type I put anywhere so that I can access my server from anywhere from the internet. As go here, launch instance. I just copy my public IP here. Then went to Puttigen.
Mhm.
I click load. Here all files, downloads, save private key. Yes. Now I will save my this key on my desktop as save. Then I went to Putty. Here host name I copy my public IP over here. Then I
Okay.
went to SSH auth. Then browse. Here from desktop I put my Linux new. Sorry, Ubuntu. Then open. Then accept. Last lecture we seen while creating EC2 instance on Amazon kernel machine, like a Linux machine. Here we have to put EC2 user. Today we select Ubuntu, so we have to put Ubuntu over here. Now we are in Ubuntu machine. Let me increase the font. Uh, if you want to increase the font, just
Yeah.
click on this icon, then change setting. Then here we see appearance. Click here, then click on change. Just make it 16, 18, bold. Okay, apply.
Nice.
Uh,
Okay.
Very basic command of when we start the server is sudo su hyphen it make me a root user over here. So I clear my screen.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So anybody want to share his command if they recall any?
Yeah, anyone can share the commands, whatever you know. In the chat box, you can share this. Grep grep command.
Krypton. Okay. So how to use Krypton?
Sir, first we can do ls.
Okay. Less.
Then after we can make a folder by applying the mkdir command
Yes.
to create a folder.
Yes. mkdir.
Just yes, file one. Yes. Also, we can create files by applying touch command.
Okay. So I apply t
Uh,
file to.
yes.
Okay. So
Uh, yes.
doing ls. So we
Yes.
create three file. mkdir means file. See, when we create a command mkdir, it makes a directory over. So
Yes, sir.
automatically
Yes, sir.
changes the color, right?
Yes, sir.
When we use the touch command, it also automatically changes his color, right? So I
Yes.
want to enter on which file? File one, right?
Yes.
So what we command we used? Which command we use? At
Yes. Cat file one.
file one.
Sir, just
It's a
simply
directory,
cat.
right?
Yes. Yes. It's a directory.
At see.
Cat file one. No.
So what's the issue here or here?
No, cat space file one enter, then you can write.
Cat
Space
space
file one
file one
enter.
enter.
Yeah. File one is a directory.
File
Okay.
one is directory.
So
So
cat is used for writing.
File one is a directory, and in directory you cannot
File one
write.
is a directory. You have to use file two, I think.
okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now we enter on the file two, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Should I write anything over here, or should I use any other another command?
Yeah, vi command we can use here for creating program files, writing any program files.
Okay, so I put vi file two, right?
Yes. Then press I.
Insert.
So, yes, very good morning. Then escape colon WQ. Enter.
Exclamation mark.
So
No.
exclamation marks when they use is you want to forcefully, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I have to check my file too. So what I do?
Check my files. Uh,
You can speak whatever.
Sir, I just
Yeah,
unable to
you
remember.
can speak also in chat.
Let's try this one.
Chat file two.
Yes, cat file too. Yes, 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 yes,
Now
yes,
you can ask.
Yeah.
yes, 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 yes.
Okay. What's the another command? Anyone remember?
No?
We can delete that folder rm-rf file
Talegram
one
also now you can also ask
rm
from the teaching.
space hyphen rf rf
rf.
space file one. Enter.
So what we do here? Remove rm hyphen remove
Yes,
file one, right?
yes, yes, yes,
So let's ls.
yes,
See
yes,
here over here the three files means two directory, one directory, file one, file two, but we delete or remove here file one, right? So you can
Hi,
see
yes,
the file is there.
there is a small suggestion. while using minus RF with RM, please do some precaution. Take some precaution because minus hyphen RF is for forcefully.
Yeah, forcefully, right.
And
Yes, yes,
yeah,
yes,
if
yes.
you remove, if you run this command on with a star or something on a slash, so
Mhm.
it will remove all your file system,
Right,
means
exactly.
Yes,
complete
yes,
OS
yes, yes.
itself.
Yes, yes.
So avoid, try to avoid using app
F,
until unless it is required.
exactly.
Yes, yes, yes,
Because
yes.
if you don't use f hyphen f, it will ask for a confirmation whether you want to delete this or not.
Right, right.
Yes, yes.
Jinke, you can try it.
Yeah,
Uh,
F1F is meant for forcefully, right?
RM.
Not RM. Please create a directory. mkdir
Yes,
file
yes.
one again.
File one. Yes.
Enter. Now rm space hyphen r space file one.
Yes.
Uh,
Uh,
Before I do ls, right?
yeah, you can do ls.
That people can see
So file is there.
ls. So file is there. So I put here remove hyphen r file name one, right?
Yeah.
Enter.
Why? It is
Then I
not.
do is ls. And the same thing is happened.
Uh,
Ajay, can you run the command alias?
Spell it.
Ali
A L
a
I.
a a. Tab, press tab key.
Again, come again. A
Tab
L
key. Tab key.
tab.
Okay. ALIAS.
A L I E S or A S.
AS AS.
Alias.
Enter. Uh, okay. Okay. Actually, this command used to list out all the shortcuts which you have created out
Mhm.
in your bash file, or yeah, in your bash file.
Just
Is it Ankit, is there any like location where all these aliases are stored? Like we can see them in this
Uh,
particular file.
Majority of, see, everyone can create these aliases in their bash file, dot bash file.
Dot bash rc. Are
That
you
bash RC, yeah. That dot bash RC.
means all the aliases we create at user level will be stored in that
Yeah.
file?
And for the session label, you can use alias command itself, like the printed out over and above, like ls equal to in a commas ls hyphen cf. So
Uh,
whenever you put the ls, it will automatically run this command ls hyphen cs.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Alias is for that
Yeah.
only is
Yeah.
used. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So we can create for a longer commands, like somebody has to do SSH over a AWS shell again and again with a static IP. If you have a static IP on AWS, so you can create a alias like
Right.
AWS
Shortcuts we
that
can create.
server, and simply write down AWS server. You will it will automatically run that SSH command and it will ask you password. You don't need to remember the IP and other things for that server.
Okay. And dot bash rc file is also used for storing the environment variables. I think the
Yeah,
same thing.
exactly. So Ajay, you please run
Yeah.
vim space dot bash rc. Hope you're in the home directory. ls pwd. Yeah, you are running it with the root. Yeah, please go ahead.
Vim is
Space dot
dot.
bash bash rc. No, without a space rc. Yeah, enter. Yeah. So this is the command where you can put the alias and other thing. Can you please come down? See, the aliases are there. So because of these aliases only, you are able to see the uh, color in your directory structure whenever you do ls.
Right. So we can change that color also.
No, you cannot change the color, but you can change the combination of command.
Okay.
And as by default, you can have a file, separate file. If you don't want to edit the bash rc file,
Mhm.
you can have a file like the second line from the bottom, bash underscore aliases.
Okay.
Just above the fee. So in this file, you can create separately your all the aliases and put it over there. If you don't want to edit your bash rc file.
So how to exit from this? Should I put a
Again,
control D?
colon q, escape colon q, not wq.
What's the difference between WQ and column Q?
Colon q is exiting a file without if you let's suppose if you have made some changes, okay, and you don't want to save that changes in the file, so
Okay.
use colon q and exclamation sign. It is forcefully exit from that file,
Exit.
and whatever the changes you have made, it is reversed. It won't save in that file. And colon q, it's simply it will let you know that whether you have made any changes in the file accidentally or not. Because in Linux, sometime you press some line or some, like if you press dd 12 twice continuously, it will delete a line from the file.
Okay.
Okay. So and unknowingly it happened and you don't know about that. So when you press WQ, it will save the changes.
Okay.
And when you press colon Q, it will let you know that there is a change in the file. Use colon Q exclamation sign to exit without save.
Okay. If I did a change, then it will show, huh? Right?
It will let you know there is a modification in the file.
Okay.
So you can create a text file and try it out right now. Vim space file2,
Vim space.
file2 is already there.
Yes.
Enter. So press I and type your name. Yeah, just it is enough. Press escape.
Escape.
Now press colon Q. See.
It shows no writes since last change.
So it's saying it means you have made some changes, but whatever the changes you have made, it is not saved. So by this, you will come to know whether you have made any changes, or if you really want to save those changes, use colon WQ. If you don't want to save those changes, use colon Q and exclamation sign. So press colon Q exclamation sign. Escape, again colon Q exclamation sign.
Actually, my system is hang. I don't know why.
Sorry.
System get hangs.
Okay. I think your command prompt is not on the putty.
Is on putty.
Because it's on putty.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, now it's on putty. Press escape. Colon Q and exclamation sign. Enter. Now again do vim file2. Sorry. See, so you have added a new line in this file previously, but it was not there. Now it is not there. So you have exit without saving the file.
Okay. Get it. Should I escape from this?
Yeah, you can escape and come on. Escape column Q, not WQ, Q.
Any new command?
And there is a miss. You have learned the history command, right?
Right.
What if you want to clear your history?
If I want to clear my history.
Yeah, you want to clear your history. Like you have run some important or on a public machine, you have run some commands, but you don't want to anyone let see those commands. So what? How will you clear your history?
RM? History?
No. It will remove the history file.
Okay.
So there is an option with the history command itself, -c.
-c. Only -c.
No, history space -c. Enter. Now run the history command once again. See, everything is gone.
Yeah. -c, right?
Yeah, -c. C for clear.
Okay. In Jenkins, most of the time we use tree command, right?
Tree command is list for directory structure, I think.
Yes, exactly. But I guess it's not working here. Command was not found. I have to put tree, right?
You have to install the tree.
So how to install, like
apt install tree. Just try it out.
install tree. Yes. wget tree.
Sorry. Not. You need to be. It's wget is for getting something from the web.
Right.
You need to provide some path from where it can download that.
I think m install tree.
It is okay.
That is for Red Hat.
M for Linux image, and this is
apt install tree.
apt
Dodo
hyphen
apt
get.
get install.
Yeah, it's like hyphen get.
apt
Hyphen gt.
get.
Yes, and whatever you want to install tree. Like
No.
after apt hyphen get install tree.
Okay.
Install tree.
There is no space between apt and hyphen get.
Try snap install tree.
Yeah, because it's asking snap install tree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That's downloading.
Run tree command. Okay. Yeah, it's working.
So we can check by using this command the path, right? Hello, hello.
Yes, yes, we are listening.
Okay. Any next command?
You can try netstat and no, no, net stat
NAT
stat.
EAT.
Yeah, it will show you an hyphen tn l t u sorry tu nlp 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 tunlp. Yeah, yeah.
So basically, netstat command used for,
Uh,
I think it's not
uh,
installed in the system, but
mm,
yeah.
yeah, you should
Netstat command used to tell about the network statistics
open
about your
port.
system.
Take it.
Open ports, whatever the port is open, whoever has may establish a connection with your system. All those things it is show.
Yeah.
It
And
shows you
it's
to
the most
install this.
yeah
It is installed net hyphen tools. You
it's
can
the
run this command.
it's the most commonly asked command in interviews actually for to know about the open ports and all those things. I was asked about this.
Okay.
So,
Netstat hyphen ton
no,
LP, right?
you just install this package, the above line which is apt install nettools, apt install nettools, which is above, and then you can try this command, so you will see the result.
Uh, APT
Net
hyphen get
hyphen
install.
tool. Net hyphen tool.
Net
If
hyphen.
uh, it's written above this line, means then just copy it. Yeah, one. Okay.
Now again run the net. Yeah.
Yeah.
See.
Ajinkya, connect your laptop with charger. I think your laptop is shut down.
Yes.
Yeah. One more thing, Ram. Sorry to interrupt. Actually, if anybody of us knows, like in AWS three-tier structure, like database, RDS, and web tier and EC instance. So, can anyone give the material notes or practical live session for all of us class? That will be very beneficial because that is the mostly asked interview question these days in AWS. And I also searched for the material, but YouTube also there are videos, but that's not working actually. So if
Which
anybody,
type materials you need?
basically three-tier architecture in AWS, web tier,
Just
database.
share in the Telegram what you need. I will search and I will tell you.
Yeah, okay. And if anybody knows practically about this, means
They will
in this,
share. But today's topic everyone know it's a related Git and GitHub in
yeah,
evening 8:30.
yeah,
So
I am.
everyone study. I will share you the related task and
Okay,
related projects video also. So you have to practice. We all have to practice, and we will discuss about Git. And we will try to 2 3 days. We will complete Git related all real time projects, all topics that we can clear the interviews, and this will help also for real time projects on companies also. So 2 3 days we will discuss about only Git real time projects, what topics we need, what type of things we have to understand, everything. Okay, so 2 3 days we will give on Git. Okay,
sure, sure. After that, if
after when complete Git, then we can start the next topic like Ansible, Docker, Jenkins. Okay, every topics we have to give 2 3 days. Okay, regarding question which topics we will discuss, everyone share the screen, and live they have to work also how to work in the Git. Okay, okay, carry on.
Any next command?
Can anyone know about NoHub command? Can you explain?
Which one?
NoHub, NOHUP. Anybody knows? HUT, not B. About this command, that's why I'm asking. I don't know about this command, that's why I'm asking. If anybody knows, can explain this command, what it is for.
It is used to run the service in backend, correct?
Sorry?
Run the services in backend, not in foreground.
Which means exactly?
Nine the group. No, no, they are practicing in Linux. Today they are practicing in different platform. Another one.
It's I think noha process and the command will work like this. Noha, and like you write sleep like process name like
Uh,
sleep 100.
which command I have to write?
You can
No
write
hub.
like sleep 100. Yeah, sleep 100. 10 or 20 also you can write. Means how many seconds you want the system to sleep, and
Okay.
yeah,
No hub sleep 100.
and space and end. No, means and symbol basically. Shift and yeah.
When we use this command, can you tell me?
Yeah, actually, basically, I think this command is used to put the process in the background.
Okay.
Means, yeah, means it is not in front, but it is running in background. Anybody also knows more about it?
I'll tell you tomorrow what it is exactly. Right now, I can't recall it.
Yeah, you can press Control C to come out of it. Okay.
Is any command?
What sounds to me?
Hello.
Yeah, already yes. Hmm. Today we can do one thing. Just complete Git in 3 days. Working the classes now. Today Vivek not join. Maybe tomorrow he will join. Yeah, I will share. We will practice all, no? Hmm. Yeah, yeah. So I will share the next. Hmm. Hmm.
Hello.
Hmm. Okay, I will discuss.
Hello.
Yeah.
राम एक्चुअली मुझे साउंड नहीं आ रहा है कुछ भी.
Yeah. Hello everyone.
Yeah.
Do
Yes.
one thing. I will share you Linux real-time projects video. Okay. So after that,
Yes.
tomorrow in this task we will discuss and we will make, and then we know that why we use these commands. Okay, in real time.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, Ram. So you will
Yeah.
share it today?
Evening we will discuss in Git. Morning
Okay.
you are working in the Linux, so I think you have a lots of work if I'm giving this. Okay,
Mhm.
but that's benefit for you only. So I will share some Linux project, Linux task, and also solution how we make this. Okay,
So we can get to know why we are using commands also.
Exactly.
Yeah.
in this time you are only using the commands, but you don't know why you use. It's real time. You can see why we use. That also helpful for you. Okay,
Now, shall we call for the session?
yeah. What?
Shall we call for the session?
Yeah, yeah,
Calls. After learning that Linux command, we can
yeah.
discuss
I will
tomorrow also.
share you the materials. Don't worry. Okay, and share you Linux projects also, that you can practice also. Right now, anyone working in a job?
Which thing? What you told, Ram?
Can you mute anyone? Because okay, fine. Right now, anyone working any company or organization? So if you're not working, then I will share you the material, Linux projects, because we have to work in two tools. Like in evening, who are joining, they have to learn Git. Okay, I will share the materials also because we have to finish the Git in 3 to 4 days with real time projects. Then it will be very helpful to for clear the interview and work for also. And Linux, you are starting the morning session. You are starting Linux, so related. I will share the Linux projects also. So you have to make these projects. If you are facing the problem, take a notebook and write what you have a problem. Otherwise, you need laptop in notebook. You just copy paste what you have a problem. Take a screenshot also. Okay, and we will discuss on this also. So we have to particularly in 3 days we have to complete in morning Linux also. Evening will complete in Git. Who is joining in evening sessions? Okay, so I think you have a lots of work right now. So I will share you after 1 hour Linux materials and real-time projects. Okay, so everyone study. Okay, understand my point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And don't
Sak-
mute. My
Sak-
name is Ram. You can tell me Ram only.
Shakti will. You there? Actually, difference between curl and wget is wget is kind of we have to download something or file, or curl is to show in our
You want to
console.
say something? I mute myself.
Hope you get it.
You want to say something? Mute. I
Are you, why we are using curl?
Come again.
What is the use of curl command?
Actually, curl used for to showing something on our
listen.
console.
All commands and why we use these commands, related PDF I will share. Okay,
Okay, okay.
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 like cheat sheet type. Vishnu wants to say something, you can say.
Is anybody having Python scripting knowledge here? Nobody. At least full scripting.
Okay, fine. So we will discuss in the Telegram. Okay. So thank you everyone, and please try to study also. Okay, I will share you the details, and whatever you need, just share in Telegram. Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Next day, same time and evening, who will join it? They also read books. Sorry, they are also studying Git. Okay.
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 Okay,
Thanks.
bye.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.